Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a massive update involving Donald Trump, Iran and China. Trump made controversial statement today about America economy, the Iran crisis and his important meeting with Xi Jinping. Some people are calling it strong leadership while others say America could face even bigger problem ahead. So, what exactly did Trump say, and why is the whole world reacting right now? Let's break everything down. Today, Trump defended his top position on Iran. He said stopping Iran from developing nuclear weapon is more important than the economic pain Americans are currently facing. This statement immediately creating hot debate online and across news channels. Many Americans are already struggling with rising fuel prices, high inflation, expenses, groceries, economic uncertainty. But Trump argued that national security comes first. According to Trump, if Iran becomes stronger militarily, it could create a much larger global crisis in the future. Trump also attacked some media organizations, accusing them of giving Iran false hope through their reporting. He even used the phrase virtual treasons, which shocked many political analysts. Supporters of the Trump say he is showing strength and protecting America. Critics say the administration should focus more on Americans suffering financially right now. This debate is becoming one of the biggest political discussions in the United States today. Another major headline today is Trump's trip to China. Trump arrived for high-level meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The relationship between the United States and China has been tense for years because of trade dispute, military competitions, Taiwan tension, technology restrictions. However, Trump said he still has a great relationship with Xi Jinping and hope both countries can improve cooperation. Experts believe these talks are extremely important because the world economy is already unstable. If the US and China continue fighting economically, global markets could face even more problems. At the same time, many political experts are watching whether Trump can balance pressure on Iran, relations with China, and America economic struggles all at once. Now the big question is, what does all this mean for ordinary America? If tension with Iran increase, oil price could rise, global markets may become unstable, international conflict risk could grow. And if US-China relationship become worse, trade could slow down, price on product may increase, technology industry could face problems. Some analysts believe Trump is trying to appear strong before upcoming political battles. Others believe he is focusing on long-term global security. No matter which side people support, one thing is clear: Trump's words continue to influence global politics in a major way. So, what do you think? Is Trump making the right decision about Iran and China, or should America focus more on economic problem at the home first? Comment your opinion below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more breaking US and world news update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.